Hello, my dear student. Geometry, lecture number 9, chapter number 3, circle. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some new topic, that is cyclic quadrilateral. Now try to understand what is cyclic quadrilateral. If all vertices of a quadrilateral lie on the same circle, then it is called a cyclic quadrilateral. Now there is one theorem of cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, now try to understand this theorem, because theorems are what very important. Now this is a circle, and what this is a quadrilateral, given quadrilateral A, B, C, D, and what all the points lie on a circle, and therefore this quadrilateral is cyclic. Theorem: opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Supplementary means sum of the angles is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Then first what you draw this figure. This is a circle, and this is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. Given quadrilateral ABCD is cyclic, to prove angle B plus angle D, opposite angles, is equal to 180, and angle A plus angle C is equal to 180. Okay, now proof. Observe this figure properly and write arc ABC is intercepted by the inscribed angle ADC, and therefore angle ADC is equal to 1/2 arc ABC. So this angle is equal to half of this arc. So, and therefore angle ADC is equal to 1/2 arc ABC. Reason: inscribed angle theorem, statement number 1. Similarly, arc ADC is intercepted by the inscribed angle ABC, and therefore angle ABC is equal to 1/2 arc ADC. Statement number 2. Reason same, inscribed angle theorem. Adding 1 and 2, if you add this equation and this equation, adding 1 and 2, angle A, angle B plus angle D is equal to 1/2 arc ADC plus 1/2 arc ABC. Now here 1/2 you take common, and therefore angle B plus angle D is equal to 1/2 into bracket arc ADC plus arc ABC. But this addition gives you complete circle, and therefore angle B plus angle D is equal to 1/2 into 360, measure of complete circle, and therefore angle B plus angle D is equal to 180. Similarly, we can prove angle A plus angle C is equal to 180, and hence opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Okay, now this theorem is important. Then try to understand corollary. Corollary means what? It is a property. Corollary of cyclic quadrilateral theorem. Now, an exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is congruent to the angle opposite to its adjacent angle. That means what? Suppose this is a circle and this is a quadrilateral which is cyclic, then this, if you produce this side, then this angle is exterior angle. This exterior angle is equal to the angle which is opposite to adjacent of this angle. So this is the adjacent angle, and adjacent angle, opposite angle is this. So this angle and this angle is equal. This is very important property. Okay. Now then try to understand converse of cyclic quadrilateral. If a pair of opposite angles of a quadrilateral, means suppose quadrilateral is given and the opposite and the what a pair of opposite angles of a quadrilateral is supplementary, then the given quadrilateral is cyclic. This is a converse of cyclic quadrilateral theorem. Okay. Now then, one more theorem you try to understand. This is also very important. Now look here. Theorem is this: if 2 points on a given line subtend equal angles at the two distinct points which lie on the same side of the line, then the 4 points are cyclic. That means what? Suppose this is a line given, and on this line point A and point B are there, and if these 2 points sustain this angle B and angle C, which are what equal, then these 4 points are cyclic. Okay. Now points A, B, C, D are cyclic. We can draw a circle which passes through 4 points. Quadrilateral ABCD is cyclic. Okay, so you understand this. Okay, so for better explanation or understanding, I take some example from practice set 3.4, page 73. Okay, question number 1. As given, as shown in the figure, in circle with center O, chord AB is equal to radius, and then find angle AOB, angle ACB, arc AB and arc ACB. Okay. Now this question is very important. So in this question the revision of basic is there. So therefore this is very important question. Now first I explain you question answer and then I write. Okay. Now chord AB is equal to radius of circle. This is a circle with center O. This is a chord AB which is equal to the radius. Means OA is equal to AB is equal to OB. So in this triangle all sides are equal, and therefore this is a equilateral triangle, and therefore all angles are equal. That means and this angle is 60 degree. Now this angle is 60 degree, and therefore this is a central angle, and therefore this corresponding arc, that means arc AB, is 60 degree. Okay. Then you can find this angle. You know this is the inscribed angle. Okay. Therefore angle ACB is half of this arc. So this arc is 60, and therefore this angle is 30 degree. Okay. Then AB is over. arc ACB. Now arc ACB is this. Okay, so arc AC, this arc is equal to 60 and therefore this arc is equal to 30. The measure of complete circle is equal to 360, and from that if you subtract this you will get measure of this arc. Okay, so measure of this arc, that is a measure arc, is equal to 360 minus minor arc AB, and that gives you 300. Okay, now then try to understand solution. In triangle OAB, side OA is equal to AB is equal to OB given, and therefore triangle OAB is an equilateral triangle, and therefore angle AOB is equal to 60 degree. So this is 1. Angle ACB is equal to 1 upon 2 measure arc AB, inscribed angle theorem, but measure arc AB is equal to 60 degree corresponding central angle, and therefore angle ACB is equal to 1 upon 2 into 60 is equal to 30 degree. Measure arc AB is equal to 60 degree. Measure arc ACB is equal to 360 minus measure arc AB, and therefore measure arc ACB is equal to 360 minus 60 is equal to 300. So therefore measure arc ACB is equal to 300. Okay. Now today it is enough. This question is very important. Go through this question again. Okay. Thank you. Hello my dear student. I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comment if you have any question regarding this topic. Okay. Thank you.